we go. We've got the last ride of the 89 TRX250R. This is a bone stock factory top end, Paul Turner pipe, 36 millimeter PJ, pretty much barely modded. This is test and tune. We get the thing out on the track. It's gurgling into mid-range, so we had to move the needle up. Wasn't getting enough fuel for the mid-range. Moved the needle up, cleared out. Thing runs really, really well. Unfortunately, this old man does not have a case to send it anymore, so the jumps are not that impressive. But we do have fun on the corners. We do have fun on the straights. We open her up, let her rip. Doesn't sound too bad. Could sound a little bit better. This is the first run through. Got a couple of run throughs. I had to mess with the carburetor about 3 times, so took a little bit to get it all dialed in, but we got her all dialed in pretty good. Suspension is nice and cushy, pretty much factory. It's got aftermarket fronts, but I'm not sure what they are. Hit that subscribe button. Comments down in the comments section are always appreciated and welcome. What do you guys ride? Do you build? Do you ride anymore? If you like the vintage stuff, new stuff, 2 strokes, 4 strokes, let me know down in the comments. We got memberships available. Gives you early access to videos when they get released. Also gives you discounts on parts and access to me if you need help. Let me know. Memberships really help out the channel. Make sure you watch these videos as long as you can. Help push these videos to as many people as possible. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, if you made it to this far in the video, go ahead and throw a number 10 down in the comments below. Really appreciate you chiming in for this whole time. I'll see you guys in the next one. And bell notifications so you get notified when new videos are released.